Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on a little thrifting adventure, I guess. I don't really know what we're doing, to be honest, but I do know we're going to be doing some thrifting. So today is Saturday, and I am by myself. So my boys are with my mother-in-law. She had a little day planned for them, and then John is off doing a project for a friend. So that leaves me here at home, and I really don't want to sit home. It is beautiful outside today, and yeah, we're just gonna go do some thrifting. I have some other errands to run, so I figured I'll just take you guys along with me. We'll hit up a few thrift stores. I'm not 100% sure where we will end up as far as the thrift store locations, so just come along with me. We'll see what we end up doing, but nonetheless, this is a thrift with me. Per usual, if I end up buying anything, I will show a haul at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that, and let's get to thrifting. Before we get started on the thrifting, I'm going to show you this because, okay, this chair is so pretty. I scored it the other day on Instagram, actually. So the event that I set up at a local area to me, the lady who hosts those, she was selling this. So she posted it on Instagram, putting up a poll asking if she should paint it, and I messaged her and I said, are you selling this? And she said, yes, I am. It'll be $50 unfinished or $75 painted, and I love the unfinished look. So I have set up at her location a couple of times now, and I've always had my eye on this rocker, and I didn't know that she ever had it for sale. So anyway, I wanted to show this to you because this is a fantastic secondhand find. It is beautiful. I am filming a porch outdoor refresh video, so you will see this in the video, but I just had to show this to you. I think it is so beautiful. So anyway, first little I guess thrifted piece, if you will, for the day, but let's go ahead and get to the thrift stores. Okay, so I just left the house, right, and I am really close by another town, and anyway, long story short, I drive by, there's like a little thrift store, like a really tiny one, kind of by where I live. It's not too far, maybe like 5 miles away. Anyway, I drive by and they're open today. They're normally not open on Saturdays, but apparently they're open the first Saturday of every month, which would be today. Today is Saturday, May 7th. And also this town is having their town-wide yard sale. So amazing that I'm getting out today and doing this. But I wanted to show you some of the things that I bought because they are a complete steal. Apparently at this thrift store that I just went into, I couldn't film in there, so that's why there's no clips, but I am going to show you what I purchased. So everything in there the first Saturday of the month is half off. So I ended up finding a set of 3 battery operated candles. They look brand new. One of them was 25 cents and then the other ones were 50 cents each. So anyway, there's those. And then I also ended up finding some of these really pretty sets of napkin rings. So I grabbed 2 boxes of these, so there's 8 total. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but they're like a really pretty gold with the little knobs on there. 50 cents a box, so awesome deal. I figured around Christmas time I like to incorporate like brass and gold and things like that into my decor, so figured I would save those, and then I can even use those for fall as well. I also ended up picking up 2 of these Hearth and Hand stackable canisters. So these look brand new as well. They actually have like the like cardboard on the inside of the lid, so they have them taped up right now, so that's why it looks like kind of dirty looking. But as you can see, they were from Hearth and Hand, originally $12.99, and I ended up getting them, so they were $3, but half off of that, so $1.50 per canister. And also my little guy, he is playing his first year of t-ball, and I wanted to get him some cleats, but I also want to be realistic with myself and realize he's 4 years old. There's a really good chance he might not even enjoy t-ball. So I ended up thrifting him a pair of cleats. They were 25 cents. So that is my first little stop for the day. There's also a yard sale right down the road, so obviously I won't be able to film that because it's at someone's house and I want to like respect that, but I'm gonna hit that up real quick too, and then see if we find anything there. show you a little bit of a haul. So I know that the thrifting portion of this video wasn't super long, and to be honest, I didn't find a ton of things. Most of the items that I found were at that original place, that very first place that I showed you guys that I did the little haul of already, but I'll show you an up close version of what I did purchase. And then I also ended up going to Target afterwards. I had to get some things for Mother's Day, and I was also on the hunt for a pair of shorts because we're about to have some 90-degree weather here finally, and I have one pair of shorts, so I wanted to grab some. But anyway, yeah, so we'll go ahead and get into this haul. I just have it all spread out right now on my dining room table, so very informal, but I'm looking forward to decorating with these pieces coming up soon. Going to be refreshing some spaces in my home, and I'm really looking forward to it. So we'll go ahead and get into the haul. If you saw my most recent thrift with me, then you probably saw a couple of these things already, but I still had them in my car, so I'm going to show you guys for those of you who didn't watch that video. But the things that I found today, so these are the 3 battery operated candles I was talking about. They're just little bitty ivory ones. They obviously have like the 3 different sizes there. And like I said, the taller ones were $1, but then everything in that store was half off, so 50 cents a piece. And then the shorter one was 50 cents and then half off of that. So great deal. I love battery operated candles. You can use those pretty much anywhere in your home. And then I actually forgot to show you guys this whenever I did the first haul. So I found this little pot. So it does have like some scratches and stuff on it, but honestly, I feel like I could probably take a magic eraser or something, or even just like try to wash it off and it'll come off. But I love the way that this looks. So it's not a DIY pottery, but it kind of has that effect. But this one was $2, and like I said, half off, so good deal there. And then these are a close-up of those napkin rings. So like I said, I got these, I got 2 packs of these, and I like to incorporate like brass and gold and stuff like that into my like Christmas decor, and sometimes in my fall decor. It kind of just depends. But either way, I did find these. They were $1, and like I said, half off, so great deal. So 8 of them for $1. And then these are those little Hearth and Hand canisters. So they are taped up right now, but these are brand new because like I said, you can see right there that paper. That's actually like the little cardboard that they have inside. But my thought for these after I purchased them was to put them in my bathroom, like I said, and it worked out perfectly because afterwards I went to Target. So you guys are getting a little Target haul too. But I found these candles on clearance for $1.50. They were $1.50. They smell so good. So I figured the little ones, I ended up buying 2 of the little ones to put in our bathrooms. So I figured a candle and then having this little canister like on the vanity would be super cute. And then sticking with the candle trend, they had a large version. This is a different scent. This one smells so good. It was on clearance too for $3. I know it has the $5 sticker down there, but it rang out for $3. So anyway, super good price on that. And then I did end up going to a yard sale afterwards. I just ended up going to one of those yard sales, and I found these brass candlesticks for 25 cents. And then the next thing I picked up at Target is this hand soap from Hearth and Hand in the Meadow scent. I think these are like $6.99, and I plan to put this in my kitchen. But I did end up finding these shoes. They're kind of like a Birkenstock dupe. They were $2. I found these for $2, and then I found a few tops. So I love getting clothing from Target, or the Target brands. So anyway, this is a New Day, just a basic tee for $2. I got a black basic tank. I obviously haven't washed these. They still have the tag attached to them, but that was $2. And then I also found that day this universal thread top from Goodwill, and it was like $4 and something. Yeah, $4.79. But that day at Goodwill, the green code was like 25% off or something. So I got this even cheaper. But when I went to Target today, I actually saw this out on the floor. So apparently this is a brand new like shirt. And then the other thing I picked up that day was this large basket. So I thought it was really cute. I might put it on like my hall tree or a bench or something, but put some florals inside or something like that. But it's really cute, and it was $4. So that's all the thrifted items. Also, if you hear cars in the background, my windows are open because it's a beautiful day. So anyway, disregard that. But then the next thing I picked up from Target, like I said, this is the day before Mother's Day. So I ended up getting these to go with part of my mother-in-law's gift. These are so pretty. And these were only like $15.99. Yeah, great deal. I grabbed those for her. I wanted to get some for my mom too, but she's currently out of town, and I don't know how long fresh flowers would last until she gets back. But anyway, moving along, I picked up my lotion. This is the lotion that I use every single day before I put on my makeup. I love this brand. Love the Burt's Bees. I love this lotion. So Grabbed that because I ran out today. And then one of the reasons I went to Target was because I wanted some shorts. These are high-waisted, they are full coverage, they are the Universal Thread brand, and they are the vintage stretch. And these were, I think, $19.99. I really love to get my things, obviously you guys know, thrifted, but sometimes you just have to spend more. So I did end up buying these. I know I'll wear these all summer long. And then the only other thing I grabbed was this really pretty pullover. So it's like an ivory color. Again, it was on clearance. It is the A New Day brand from Target, and it was marked down to $12.50. So I know if there's any cooler nights, I can wear this in the summer with these shorts. It actually looks super cute on together. And then obviously I can wear that in the cooler months this fall and whatnot. So anyways, there is the little haul. I think they had a lot of really cute things, a lot of neutral pieces. I'm always thrilled when I go into a thrift store and there's plenty of items that I can like mix and match. So I can style all of these together and I think it just looks really pretty. So stay tuned for some decorating coming up because like I said, I will be incorporating all of these pieces. So if you guys enjoy the affordable decorating and thrifting, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I post a new one. I typically post 2 videos a week, so be on the lookout for those. I don't really have set days, but I do like to post 2 a week. So like I said, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate all of your support. I'm getting super close to 6K, and I know that's a small number, but it means a lot to me and I'm super pumped about it. So once again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.